Hey guys, welcome to the 7 days affiliate marketing challenge. As you know that we are actually trying to make our first $100 within 7 days of these challenge, okay? So what we are doing is that every day we are doing one step at a time, okay? We are doing one step at a time so that we are able to reach our $100 goal really fast, okay? So today what we'll be doing is that today we'll be choosing our traffic source. This is the homework for today that we'll be doing, okay? So I think and I expect that you're done with day 3, day 2 and day 1 assignments. You have chosen your niche, you have chosen your product, and you have created a system for yourself, a funnel where you're actually collecting the email addresses, okay? So that is something I expect that you've done till now is the fun part, guys. You are the main thing, the actually the life and blood of any business is generating traffic is so important, and traffic is the only thing where people get stuck. Traffic is the only thing that stops people from making money. So I don't want you to stop here, okay? So what we are doing is that we are actually doing now the essential thing of our business, okay? We are actually starting with getting traffic to our affiliate links, to our community, to our ecosystem, okay? We are actually establishing you as a brand, you as a personal brand that we are trying to build, okay? So that is the main focus that we need to do now, because you are done with all the hard stuff that you had to do. You have set up your system, you have chosen the product, you have got your lead magnet ready, everything is ready. Now what you need to do is that you need to just get traffic to this page, okay? You all you need to do is that just bring people to your opt-in page, or the squeeze funnel that we were talking about, okay? There was an opt-in page, right? The first page that was there in my funnel, as I showed you, that's something that you're giving away for free, that your target customer will be happy to receive, right? It can be something very simple as a checklist, or it can be a video series, it can be a simple one page document where you actually give a free recipe or a free health plan, or anything that you can just of a really tremendous value that you can give to your customer. That is something that you have to create as a lead magnet. Now what you have to do is that you have to bring people to that page, okay? How will people know that in the world there is this page that exists, that is giving away free information? That is wonderful, okay? So I want you to actually pick one traffic platform for yourself, okay? There is an system, there is an ecosystem also, which I actually teach my personal students, but that takes a little bit of experience, so I don't want you to get paralyzed by that. What you can do is that you can just pick one platform that you want to, you are comfortable with, okay? You can choose Instagram, you can choose Pinterest if you are more of a written person, okay? So choose Pinterest. If you are a more of small tweets person, so choose Twitter. If you are like more formal, you can choose LinkedIn, okay? Anything that you want, just choose one platform that you will be using to actually create your presence, okay? So you'll be very active in this particular platform, okay? If you're choosing Instagram, you have to make sure that you actually create a community of people, where people are following you on Instagram, okay? So you have to create followers on Instagram. If you are actually picking maybe YouTube, then you have to have a good number of people who are watching on YouTube, right? Okay. Now talking about YouTube, if you're looking for more long-term business growth, go with YouTube, because it's a search engine as Google is, right? So what happens is that people are daily searching for some things, and if you are able to share that information, people connect with you then and there, okay? It becomes so simple to basically promote your affiliate products also, because people are actually looking for the products that you're promoting, okay? So if you're more on the long term growth and you're more on passive type of growth, go for YouTube. Uh, it's the best method I see that is there, okay? If you are more of quick results person, I will say that if you're just testing waters, if you're just new and you're just getting started and you haven't reached, okay, I'll just write it down here also, okay? So for zero to maybe $1,000, when you're just testing that if it is working or not, go with your Facebook profile funnel and TikTok, okay? So use your Facebook profile to get people to your affiliate links or to your opt-in page, okay? So or use TikTok, okay? Because TikTok is something that is trending right now. It's not going to be there like forever, but it is something that is trending right now. So just you might as well just get on the trending thing, and you can just get your like people on your email list. As we discussed, everyone should be your email list, right? You have to have a way so that you can basically keep following up with people, right? As we say that money is in the follow up, right? maybe someone is not going to trust you on the first like the first time they see you. Okay, the first time they see you, they have discovered you, only discovered you, they've come to know that, yeah, okay, this person is there in the world. Okay, but people buy only when they have developed like trust factor also. Okay, so if they just know you, they are not, maybe they are not going to buy from you. But if they know you, then they start liking you, then they start trusting you, then only they are going to buy the products that you are recommending. Correct? So for that, YouTube is an amazing platform. But if you're looking for like quick results, go with your Facebook profile and TikTok. Okay, if you want to learn how basically how to get people from Facebook profile to your links, or from TikTok to your links, I can create a video, but to tell you in just what you do. Okay, so daily maybe you are creating one piece of content. Okay, for example, with your niche, whatever niche you have picked, you have to create anything valuable around it. For example, if you are helping moms, okay, so you can create a video like that, the toys that I use for my kid that keeps them busy. Okay, so that I can work for 2 hours. Okay, like that. Or if someone is, if into affiliate marketing, okay, how to create a perfect lead magnet that gets you tons of results or tons of leads daily. So this can be something. So basically you are creating small little topics that you know. Okay, and then you are, in the end, you will be actually saying that, if you want to go and check out my whatever lead magnet title is, find it in my bio. If you are using your Facebook profile, you can just use the link in your bio, right? If you're using TikTok, that there also you can, just use your bio. And you can also let people comment. If you are not very comfortable in putting links in your bio for the lead magnet or for the squeeze funnel, you can simply say that, you can just check out, just comment below, and I'll share that with you. Okay, you can do that also for the first 100 people, or maybe first 50 100 people, when you're not making your first 1,000. It is good enough to do. Okay, but later it becomes a little problem when you scale. Okay, so if you have not made your first $1,000 yet, you can go with that. But if you have done that, if you know the power of affiliate marketing, go with YouTube. Okay, that is something that I will highly recommend, right? Let me know in the comments below if you want more videos on, how to basically promote with YouTube, how to promote with TikTok, or just contact me. Okay, there is a link in the description. You can just ask me and I'll help you with that. Okay, just let me know in the comments whatever you think, whatever you feel that should be created, wherever you're getting stuck, wherever you're struggling, either drop in a comment or you can just message me directly. Okay guys, so thank you so much, and I will be seeing you on day 5. Okay, bye.